Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off autoplay videos on cellular data on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click here, now click settings, now click social permissions, and here you will find it. Just click on it like this and it will be turned off. And that's it. That's how to turn off autoplay videos on cellular data on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.